Hello dear viewer, welcome to YouTube channel. Hope you subscribe my channel. If not so, just do it now. So guys, in this video I will talk about instruction of SQ23 mini DV camera, such as how to turn on, how to turn off, Wi-Fi mode, infrared mode, camera app and others. So let's start.
Spotlight, moonlight, why you worship and get your mood right, shorty look good in the moonlight, so why you so bad, my, spotlight, moonlight, why you worship and get your mood right.
So guys, first I like to talk about the settings and others of this camera. Here you can see it's SQ23 mini DV camera. So in this camera you get some LED light indicator. Here's some LED light indicator. So in previous version of SQ11, here you can see it's SQ11. Here you have only one indicator camera. Here you can see this one, but this camera in this camera you will not get Wi-Fi and other indicator, but SQ23 you get different LED indicator such as turn on, infrared mode, Wi-Fi, video mode and others. So first I like to turn on this camera. So to turn on this camera, just push the power button 2 to 3 seconds. Here you can see it's turn on, light, red indicator light is turn on. That means your camera is now turn on. So to take a picture, just press the power button once. Here you can see one blue light turn on and off. That's means you take a picture. Now I like to take another picture. Just press the power button once. Here you can see, so it take a picture. Now if you like to record video, then just press this button, this mode button. This is the mode button. So press the mode button for 2 seconds. Here you can see it's turn on and off continuously. That means it's recording video. So to turn off the video, just press the mode button once. Here you can see red light indicator is turn on. That means this is the standby mode now, and video is turn off. So now I like to show infrared mode. You cannot only turn on infrared mode. You need, if you want to turn on infrared mode, then you need to record video, then you can turn on infrared mode. So to turn on infrared mode, first go to video mode. Just press the mode button. Here you can see it's recording. Now press the mode button again for 3 seconds. Here you can see this light is on. That means your recording video and also infrared mode is turned on. So in this way you can turn on infrared mode. Now I like to show how you can turn on Wi-Fi mode. So first I like to off the So to turn on Wi-Fi mode, just press and hold the mode button for 3 seconds. Here you can see green light is turned on. That's when your Wi-Fi mode is turned on now. So in this way you can turn on and off your Wi-Fi mode, camera mode, infrared mode. And if you like to turn off your camera, just press and hold the power button for 3 seconds. Here you can see light is turned on and off, and that means your camera is now off. So to open the SD card, just press the SD card. Now you can pull your SD card, and if you like to insert SD card, just insert the SD card, push the SD card. Here you can see it's insert, and here you can see this is the power cable, power option, and this is the magnet option. You can just hold your camera in this section. I like to show. In my previous tutorial I was made a unboxing video. You can find the video link in my description below. So this is the clamp where you can hold the camera. Here you can see it's totally magnetic. You can just turn this on and push in your where you want to set your camera. So in this way you can place your camera. You can also place this camera anywhere where this is, because this is the magnet, you can place in any iron. So now I like to show apps settings of this camera. So to get the apps you need to scan the barcode of from the manual. Here you can see 3 barcode, one for Android, one for iOS, and one for Google. So I like to use Android. So take your mobile phone, after go to your barcode scanner, scan for Android. Here you can see play Google. Go to this link. You can find the link in my description below also. So now I like to install. Okay, accept. It's only 32.02 MB. Okay, here you can see all the apps is now installed. After install the app, you need to turn on the Wi-Fi mode of this camera. So just turn on the camera. Here you can see camera is now turned on. Turn on the Wi-Fi mode. So press hold the mode button for 3 seconds. Here you can see Wi-Fi is now turned on. So after turn on Wi-Fi, go to your mobile settings, then go to Wi-Fi. Then here you can see SQ23 BA2A. This one is the Q23 camera Wi-Fi. So just select this one. Here you can see you need to provide password. You can find the password, default password from your user manual. Here you can see the password 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So place the password. Okay, connect. Okay, here you can see it's connected. Now turn on your app. Select play. Here you can see my mobile is now connected with my SQ23 camera. See, so there is no buffering. You can find some settings. At the left side, this one is for your phone, and at the right side, this one for your camera. That's mean when you take any picture from the left side, here you can see I am taking picture. this one take picture in your phone, and this will save the picture in your phone. And if you record video from the left side, as you can see I'm recording this. This video will save in your phone memory. If you like to open the video and picture from your phone, just select the file icon at the left side. Here you can see the picture. And if you like to record or take picture in your SQ23 camera memory, then select right side icon. So I'm clicking the right side icon, picture. This will take picture in camera memory card. If I record video at the right side, this will record video in SQ23 camera memory card. Okay, and at the top you can see it's showing my battery level. You can also change some settings of this camera from here. So first here you can see resolution. You can increase or decrease your resolution. You can also change your loop recording. If you like to take a long video, then select off. You can also record your audio with video, and you can change your camera resolution. Here you can see 12 megapixel. You can show time, date in your video. Just select from here. You can also turn it off. Here you can see auto power off. That's mean if I leave the camera without any work, the camera will turn off after 5 minutes. You can change daytime format. You can change language. You can format your SD card from here. You can select your default setting from here. You can update your firmware version from here. And here you can see also change your Wi-Fi name and password also. Guys, one option most people don't know, you can also record video and charge the camera at the same time from using this camera. You can recording video and at the same time you can charge the camera, so that you can make more longer video. This camera, using this camera you can take 90-minute video with a single charge. So that's all. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. If so, give me a big thumbs up, and mostly subscribe this channel for more upcoming video of this channel. So thank you for watching. Please stay safe and be happy.